a little short video on our post here. Let's look at this. What I done, I went and I'm going to replace the post in the truck covers. I will have the original ones. I'm not throwing them away. They are brittle. I think there was a couple small cracks in them that I didn't want, so I went ahead and got the replacements here. I just found these. The guy had them on eBay. I read his stuff, and everybody liked what he had. So I said, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get some from him. I'll take the chance, you know. But when they make these, they might make them where they don't have the holes, or some that do. But you're gonna have, you know, the option is gonna have holes in it. You'll have to cover up if you don't have in your truck. So if your seatbelt holes are already cut, you're gonna have these here in it, okay? Nothing to that. These are formed out of the ABS board. It feels like the 1/8 inch. Let's see here right quick. It could be this. I think it's the 1/8 inch. Is what this is formed out of. But it's the same board that I'm buying for the rest of the truck. And I'm sure these are built on a vacuum. Hold on a minute. Let me get something. But what I want to do on the driver's side, being we're going to have a supercharger in it, it is going to be not a real high horsepower engine. I mean, it's going to be like an everyday driver with the little 144 on it. Which they can be built for every day. We put them in boats. So what I've done was got a hold of glow shift, and I thought about just putting the driver's side in it until I got the engine done and all. But you know what? Might as well just go and do it. Be done with it. But glow shift sent me one. It takes place of the driver's side. It's the same board. The only thing that glow shift don't do on theirs is make the countersink screw. Let me show you the difference here. So you can see, maybe we focus in a little bit. It's going to have a little bit of the countersink here, okay? Glow shift don't do that. It's just going to be a plain hole here, so you put your screw in it. I do have some step bits where we'll go in and barely put a seat here for our screw. But this is the way I go ahead and get the gauges, everything in it. We're going to have our boost vacuum gauge, a small tack. You know, put small gauges back in, you know what I mean? Give me that big. And then our optional other gauge, either fuel pressure or something that's going to go there. But these will be done up in a dark blue. So they'll need to be, like I say, it's probably got a release agent on it. Anytime you buy stuff like this, you want to wash it with a warm soapy water or whatever. Get them clean, all right? Don't just paint them. If you do, you're going to hate yourself. It's going to come off. So I'm going to use in dark blue. You want to go down and get the primer for your paint. Make sure it's a match. Don't just prime it with some other primer. Then you spray it, you paint on there and it cracks. It's like something from an old dresser somewhere from the 30s. So make sure it's a plastic, something that'll stick to it, all right? It'll tell you. But primer it first. then paint your paint on it. Don't just throw it on top of this black here. You can if it's gonna be black. I mean, black truck, leave it on. Polish it up and go with it. Best thing. But anyway, I just want to share this with you. We do have a new headliner coming for it. I read the reviews on them, and it was always 3 to 5 days. It's been 3 to 5 weeks right now where it's coming from. So I contacted them, said they're behind about a month. But it is what it is. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you, and we're going to go ahead and put the gauge cover in it, the post cover, and save this other one in case somebody ever wants to, don't like them, take them out, you know, whatever. But we're going to get to it one day. When the headliner gets here, we'll do this particular part. I just want to share this with you, what we're going to do inside the truck. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching.